Welcome to SLR Learning Planet. General Knowledge Quiz. There are different questions in this quiz. You have 15 seconds for each question. You may pause the video if you need more time. Wish you the best of luck. Let's begin.
A place where water is stored is called river, glacier, oasis, reservoir. What is a group of pigs called? Sounder, gaggle, cackle, trip. What is a fear of blood called? Claustrophobia, hemophobia, nyctophobia, agoraphobia. A person who repairs shoes is called carpenter, cobbler, blacksmith, artisan. What is a female cat called? Kitten, queen, cat, tom. A painting or drawing of a person is called landscape, portrait, still life, abstract. A person who loves rain is called pluviophile, enophile, hygrophile, cinephile. What is a baby fish called? Fry, kid, pup, kit. What is a female kangaroo called? Buck, boomer, doe, joey. What is a baby pigeon called? Alevin, squab, chick, poult. A person who studies ancient artifacts is called sociologist, archaeologist, ecologist, biologist. What is a fear of clowns called? Coulrophobia, arachnophobia, xenophobia, agoraphobia. A place where grapes are grown. Grove, vineyard, orchard, garden. What is a male elephant called? Stag, bull, hind, calf. A person who loves clouds called? Ailurophile, astrophile, nephophile, ombrophile. A low land between hills or mountains called? Plateau, valley, canyon, basin. What best collocates with exacerbate? Challenge, conflict, operation, process. A person who walks in their sleep is called? Narcoleptic, somnambulist, somnolent, insomniac. A large underground chamber, cavern, grotto, vault, catacomb. A person who loves fish is called? Philatelist, ichthyophile, audiophile, ornithologist. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.